Join me as I dive into the shocking news about BMW recalling 40,000 vehicles over faulty side door locks and see if I can figure out how this happened. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. In a stunning move, BMW has issued a major recall affecting 40,000 vehicles worldwide due to faulty side door locks. Yes, you heard that right. 40,000 vehicles are being recalled because of a problem that's fundamental to our safety on the road. This recall is a significant blow to the prestige brand, and it raises serious questions about the quality control processes in place. The recall is a timely reminder that even the most reputable manufacturers can make mistakes, and it's only by acknowledging and addressing these issues that we can move forward. This recall is not just about fixing a technical problem. It's about regaining the trust of customers who expect a certain level of quality from BMW. So, what exactly is the problem with these side door locks? From what we know so far, the issue lies in the faulty locking mechanism, which can lead to the doors opening unexpectedly while the vehicle is in motion. It's a serious safety risk, and BMW is right to take swift action to rectify the situation. Moving on to the background of this recall, BMW has had its fair share of issues in the past. In recent years, the company has faced recalls for faulty engine components, electrical problems, and even issues with its autonomous driving technology. While BMW has always been quick to respond to these problems, the frequency of these recalls does raise concerns about the company's quality control processes. It's worth noting that side door locks have been a problem area for BMW in the past. In 2017, the company recalled over 1 million vehicles in the United States alone due to faulty door locks. So, why did BMW not address this issue more comprehensively back then? That's a question that only the company can answer. This recall also raises questions about the industry's approach to safety testing. Are manufacturers doing enough to identify and address potential safety risks before they become major issues? This recall is a stark reminder that even the most rigorous testing processes can miss critical flaws. In this specific case, the recall affects several models, including the 5 Series, 6 Series, and 7 Series, all produced between 2018 and 2020. Owners of these vehicles can expect to receive notification from BMW in the coming weeks, with repairs scheduled to begin soon after. The recall process is expected to be a complex and time-consuming one, with BMW working closely with dealerships and regulatory authorities to ensure that all affected vehicles are repaired as quickly and efficiently as possible. The company has assured customers that the repairs will be carried out free of charge, which is a welcome move. Consumers have already begun reporting issues with their vehicles, with many taking to social media to express their frustration and disappointment. One owner reported that their car door opened unexpectedly while they were driving, a harrowing experience that could have had serious consequences. BMW has apologized for the inconvenience caused by the recall and has promised to do better in the future. The company's commitment to quality and customer safety is laudable, but this recall is a timely reminder that even the best intentions can sometimes fall short. This recall is also likely to have significant implications for BMW's reputation and customer trust. The company has built its brand on a reputation for quality, performance, and safety, and this recall raises serious questions about whether BMW is still living up to those standards. It's not just BMW that's affected, though. This recall has broader implications for the automotive industry as a whole. It highlights the need for manufacturers to be more proactive in identifying and addressing safety risks, rather than simply reacting to them after they become major issues. As one industry expert put it, this recall is a wake-up call for the entire industry. It's a reminder that safety can never be compromised and that manufacturers have a responsibility to ensure that their vehicles are safe for the road. BMW has promised to learn from this experience and to implement changes to prevent similar recalls in the future. The company's commitment to quality and customer safety is reassuring, but ultimately, it's the actions that count, not the words. As we look to the future, this recall serves as a timely reminder of the importance of safety regulations in the automotive industry. It's a complex issue that requires cooperation between manufacturers, regulatory authorities, and consumers. In the end, this recall is not just about 40,000 faulty side door locks. It's about the broader implications for the industry and the importance of prioritizing safety above all else. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.